Okay, this is part 2 of the Nissan video. I started because I ran out of battery, or memory card as it was. Okay, I finished the car. It's right there. Came out pretty sweet. You like those wheels? I also did a little detail into the front. I used silly putty and masked it all off, and then painted it airbrush black on the grill, around the grill. And then I took the silly putty off, and then I hand painted the headlights and the oil cooler. Came out pretty cool. Comes with the Tampo taillights, which is already on the car. It's pretty sweet. All right, she rolls like a dream. She looks good. She looks real good. All right, I did another one. I changed the wheels on a Toyota Land Cruiser. I used Matchbox wheels. Came out really sweet. Let me show you the wheels that it had on it. They're real dorky looking. They're real dorky looking wheels. I keep them in these little bags here. So look at that. I definitely like the Matchbox wheels better. These are just dorky. But I keep it because it's original. So throw it back in a bag. Photograph it, put it on my photo bucket site, throw it back in a bag. Into that. Okay, what else we got here? I did that. And then this one I've been working on for a while now. It's a little I use this as the base for the car. This little 32.3 window. And I've turned it into this. Got a aluminum chassis and aluminum front axle that I bent using some hobby channel. I just got done painting the checkerboard firewall there, and she rolls pretty good. But it's mainly just a static model, so. See some of the detail there. That made the axles out of brass and some epoxy. I made the floorboard out of aluminum soda pop can. So this is what I've been working on. I gotta work on the engine still. Where's my engine? I'm gonna use the engine out of the Mad Fast. So Mad Fast engine. I come up with some headers and a grill shell. So that's one of my projects I've been working on. Came out pretty cool. What else I got?
Those are some pretty serious accusations.
I got these for the wheels, and I put other wheels on them. And these cars are going to be giveaway cars. I give them to the little kids. So these are little giveaway cars. I took the wheels off the Toyota Land Cruiser and stuck it on this jungle crawler. It actually looks pretty cool. I might keep it. It's like some of the wheels look cool on some, and some of them they don't on others. So, and then the new Studebaker, new color, pretty cool color. I got a couple of these, so I might modify one and swap some wheels out. But that's the new Studebaker color. And then I got a Johnny Lightning that I put Matchbox wheels on. It looks kind of cool. This car was in a junk pile. The wheels are all torn off of it, so I got it and rescued it and made it put it back in service. It rolls like a dream. Okay, I guess that's it for now. Part 2 of the Nissan Skyline video. Alright guys, we'll see you later.